What's going on, Bevy people? This is Marcus, and today we're going to do a little Q&A. Someone asked a question about AVN Stars. I'm just going to give an answer real quick. I haven't put out a video recently because I've been focused on launching our faux leather pants line of clothing. So if you haven't checked that out yet, you should go to TheBevyVIP.com. You can see it under the apparel shop. Just click faux leather pants, and you'll see what we have to offer. If you're a model on AVN or OnlyFans, send me a message and we can give you a one-time discount. And if you signed up to OnlyFans or AVN Stars with the Bevy VIP links, you will get a lifetime discount on all our apparel. So really stoked about these pants. They're pretty sexy, and I think they're really good quality. So check them out. We also have a YouTube video that kind of gives a bit of a product overview. You should check that out. And then the other thing we added is on the bottom right-hand corner of every page on our site, you'll see that we have a live chat feature. And if I'm online, which is most of the time, I will get your messages right away sent to my phone, and I can answer you. So if you have any questions about our apparel or any questions about something on AVN or OnlyFans, you want to just send me a message and I'll get back to you right away. If I'm not online, it'll just send it to my email, and then as soon as I am online, I can respond. We just set that up, and I got a question today about AVN Stars, which is what I'm going to be answering in this video today, which is the question was, how do you change your subscription pricing, and how do you offer free trials or actually discount subscription prices to people, to new subscribers? And so if you go into your OnlyFans now, your AVN, I'm going to be using my Marcus account because that's what I'm using for all these tutorials. So if you go to settings and privacy, and you'll notice right here is your subscription price. You want to make sure it's turned on. Now you can change this at any time. And I think the question was more geared towards, let's say you have it set for $5 a month, and then 2 months down the road, you decide you want it to be $10 a month, and maybe you want to change it depending on how your traffic is going. You can change this at any time. Just make sure when you change it, you always, enter the amount, and then you have to make sure you hit save changes on the bottom. So if I change this, the reason I have it at 50 is because I don't want people subscribing, because this is my account to do tutorials with. So let's say I change it to $40. You'll notice that now I can hit save changes. It just changes it. So you can change it at any time. And I believe if you already have subscribers under your previous subscription amount and that changes, that in the next billing cycle that they have, their subscription price will change. So don't be afraid to change that around and try different pricing to see what works best for you. So that's the best way to do that. Now, as far as free trials go, there is this option here, right? Which is if you click it, you get free trials. Now, there's a few different ways you can do this, and I'm going to give you one strategy on how you can use it and still actually make money. But basically, if you have this turned on, this is a unique link, which means that you enter the number of free trial months, so 1 month free trial, and then you hit generate, and that's going to give you a link. Now, that link can only be used by one person. That's if you have a specific person you want to give a link to give, a certain amount of months. Now, we'll talk about this in a second, but this is more likely how you're going to use it. You click this off, and you'll see max number of users. Now, you could set this to 5, right? Or you could set it to 10. You set it to any amount. What you'll see is that this link that you generate when you hit generate is going to only be able to be used by the first, 5 people that use the link. You set it to 10, it'll be the first 10 people. I think this is your best option, is to set these pretty low, and then that'll, I don't want to say pressure, but that'll incentivize people to sign up, where when you make your post, you're going to say, the first 5 people will get 1 month free trial. And that's going to make people want to use it, so they get their free trial. Now, I understand that a 1 month free trial is a long period of time to give to someone. I would much rather this be 1 week or even like 3 days, but that doesn't seem to be an option. Like, it's basically from 1 to a year you can give to people. So obviously free trials are great because you're going to get people on your page. They're going to see what you do. If they like what you do, they're going to continue to subscribe to you. What a lot of models are worried about is the idea of giving away too much free content. And I get that. So what I would suggest is to set a certain amount of max users, so something like 5, and you can do this every month, where 5 people can sign up for free. Or let's say you just want to do 3 if you want to keep it real low. And then generate the code, post the code wherever you're trying to promote your site, whether that's on AVN or on Reddit or on any of your social media. And that'll, hopefully people will sign up. But the other way is to do it like this, where let's say you set up a 1-month free trial, and this is going to create a unique link. And then you have this link. Now, what you want to do is set up a promotion that is for anyone. Let's say you make a post and that post is a paid for post, meaning they can't see the post until they paid for it. Now, what they'll get when they pay for that viewing of that post is a 1-month free trial. Now, by doing it that way, you can make a post and say, tip $10 on this post and get a 1-month free trial. And then this way, you're not actually giving that month for free. You're actually getting paid and then giving the 1 month as a reward. That's one way to do it. You can do it cheaper. You can do tip $5, get a 1-month free trial. This is a way that you can use the free trial as a bonus to people who have tipped you. You also can do stuff like the highest tipper in the next 24 hours on this picture will get a 1-month free trial. Anything like that will work. So that's the basic setup. I wanted to make this tutorial quick because I know some of my other tutorials are really long and drawn out. But give this a try. Let me know if it works for you. And like I said, if you have any questions, just go to our website, TheBevyVIP.com. Go to any page. It could be the home page, whatever, and just click this here, and you can send me a message. You can also go into the forums. Here they are right here, VIP members forums. And we're going to try to move all our questions to 3 places. One is going to be the forums. The forums are free right now to sign up. They're always free for a lifetime of VIP models, people who have signed up with our links. So that's another benefit that we give, along with discounts on all our clothing. But we want to move the questions to either the forums, our YouTube page, underneath the videos in the comments, because we're trying to boost our YouTube page, followers and subscribers. And then the other one is going to be the live chat right here. So this is fairly new. I just set it up this week, so give it a try. And like I said, if I'm not online, like right now it says I'm online. If I'm not online, go ahead and write the question anyway. It goes to my inbox and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Anyway, this is Marcus from TheBevyVIP.com. Give us a follow, a like, and a subscribe. And whatever questions you have, I promise to make videos or at least email you back right away with the answers. There'll be more tutorials about how to use AVN, but that's the one for today. All right, good luck to everyone and peace.